Scholar Jackie Peterson elaborates on African American women's roles at Hanford.
Unfortunately, when most women, African American women in particular, arrived at Hanford, they were pretty much offered cleaning positions or kitchen positions. Very traditional, women's work. One of the elders of the Pasco community in an oral history interview was talking about how she had actually been trained as a welder. I want to say it was somewhere in California. And she was like living the life, she was earning a paycheck, she had a skill, she felt so good about her life and she was very happy to stay there. But her husband was just not satisfied and he kept hearing about this job in Pasco, this Hanford thing, and kept harping on it. So finally she gave in and said, you know what, fine, let's go out there and see what this is all about. But she was confident that she would be able to get similar work because she had a certificate, she had gone through this training program, she had been earning a good salary, and unfortunately they got to Hanford and he got whatever job, probably a construction job. And so she showed up and she's like, oh, I have my certificate, I'm a trained welder, and they're like, well, you can work in the kitchen or you can clean. Take your pick. And she was flabbergasted and she thought, how is it possible that I have a trained skill that clearly you probably need in this project and you're turning me down? The other side of it was most of the people who were recruited and ended up coming to Hanford were men. And so you have a situation where you have a bunch of men, probably a lot of them were single, and the small population of women. And so there was certainly lots of harassment. I heard at one point the security detail at Hanford had to build a fence around the women's barracks and people had to have written permission to visit the women's barracks because the situation had gotten so out of hand.